DreamStation Go delivers positive air pressure therapy through a breathing circuit comprised of a mask and flexible tubing. The default tubing for the DreamStation Go is the 6-foot micro-flexible 12mm tubing. Connect the 12mm tubing by clicking it into the outlet port on the front of the device. For most masks, the 12mm tubing will require the adapter that was supplied with the tube. Simply slide the adapter onto the mask side cuff of the tubing and attach it to the mask. If using the DreamWear mask, you can take advantage of the minimal mask connection. Remove the white swivel from the DreamWear mask and click the 12mm tubing cuff into place. In addition to the 12mm micro-flexible tubing, the DreamStation Go supports the use of larger 15mm and 22mm tubing. If using a 15mm or 22mm tube, make sure to change the tubing type to the correct setting in the My Comfort section of the DreamStation Go menu. Innovation and you. Philips Respironics.